Today, thermal transfer ribbons are used to identify all sorts of products, whether manufactured, grown, assembled, or processed. They ensure that traceability is maintained from the design stage through to production, transportation, and consumption. For more than 40 years now, employees of ARMOR-IIMAK have been developing thermal transfer technology to enable users to print their traceability data in a reliable, safe, and durable manner in all environments and on all media. Through its worldwide presence, ARMOR-IIMAK exploits its technological and human know-how to achieve the reliability specific to each application. The expertise of ARMOR-IIMAK employees is focused on ensuring the irreproachable quality of the ink that lays at the heart of the ribbons, creating a product that is trusted to serve the demands of traceability. We establish long-term relationships with our partners based on reciprocal growth, enabling them to fully meet the demands of their customers and users. The men and women at ARMOR-IIMAK are committed to sharing what they do best, with absolute confidence and over the long term. The ink is the link.